The worst thing that can happen to a school is to be deprived of a conducive and well-resourced library. Unfortunately, this was the case of the Assin Manso Senior High School. The school library, which was built in 1965, had not seen any maintenance until Ghana Library Authority intervened through the Senior High School Library Transformation Program.
My name is Eric Nyako, the headmaster of Assin Manso Senior High, popularly known as Greater Mass. This institution was established in 1965, so it is about almost 56 years, 2021, coming November. So since 2008 up to date, we haven't done any renovation in the library. So we were happy when we heard that Ghana Library Authority is seen to help us. The entire staff, members of staff and Board of Governors and everybody was happy because they are going to do the renovation for it. Through to the words of the Ghana Library Authority, they started the renovation. They started with the painting, the repairs of roofing, then louvers, blaze, and then late last year, they brought in these shelves and tables meant for the completion of the furnishing.
The students of Assin Manso Senior High School, though eager to acquire knowledge through the use of their library, were discouraged due to the deplorable nature of the library. To the students, the library only existed in name, with broken chairs and tables, tattered ceiling, worn-out paintings, and empty shelves.
Before this time, some of our tables and chairs were not in good shape. So we heard that the library board, they were coming here to renovate the place for us. So they started working. So during that time, then the COVID came, so we left. But they came later to renovate the place. So when school reopened, then we saw that everything was in order. And then they brought this, how do you call it? The new chairs, new tables, shelves for the school. So we are very grateful to them.
Soon after the facelift, students started trooping into the library. This communicates just one fact. The students do like reading, but were discouraged due to the poor condition of their library.
I've been in this library for quite a long time. And when I came and heard and I was called, my school was chosen as a pilot basis in the central region to renovate the library. I was very glad and excited and informed the headmaster. In no time, they came and started the work. Then after the first renovation work, that's painting, changing of the fans, giving us new fans, the lighting systems and other things, and students started coming to the library. It was very attractive to the students. And I could see their coming to the library was more effective than the former.
The students and staff of Assin Manso Senior High School are very grateful to the Ghana Library Authority for this massive facelift.
The renovation came at a time that we needed, and it is in a timely intervention from government. We thank government, we thank Ghana Library Authority. I hope and pray that my students will make use of it well. And we are also pledging that we will take good care of the items suppliers so that we will maintain them. Because in Ghana, what we see is that if you don't take care, the new things that I've just brought in will be destroyed by students and by staff. So we promise to keep eye on them and then make use of them. And we hope that this painting and other renovation done here will go a long way to help academic work on campus.